Hey guys, this is Tanya. I teach CBSE Class 10 Maths and my sister Tina Lofus would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths. Alright, now let's jump into the video. Today we are going to be learning Chapter 14 Statistics, Exercise 14.2, first question. We are starting off with a new exercise, that is Exercise 14.2. Alright, now let's read the question. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. So this is the table, okay. So find the mode and the mean of the data given above. Compare and interrupt the two measures of central tendency. So you're supposed to find the mode. Okay, first let's find the mode. Okay, so how to find the mode? It's literally easy, guys. So we have to use one formula. I'll show that. Okay guys, so here now I just wrote it as it is. So since you guys know, I'm gonna solve it by using a mode formula. Okay, so I'm gonna find the mode now. Okay, so what is the formula for mode, guys? So the formula is L plus bracket F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 and close the bracket into H. So this is the mode formula. I know it's pretty big, but it is pretty easy to solve it, guys. Okay, so here how to find the F1 value and F0 value. So we say it as F0, otherwise F0. Okay, and how to find F2 value and how to find H and how to find L. So these are the things it is mentioned in the question, isn't it? Mentioned in the formula. So it is literally easy. First we are supposed to find the F1 formula. Okay, so we are going to find the F1 formula at first. So how to find F1 means, so in this frequency, you see this is a frequency. In this frequency, what is the maximum number? That means what is the greatest number? So here the greatest number is 23, isn't it? So since the greatest number is 23, I am going to take it as F1. Okay, and here I am going to take it as F0, and here I am going to take it as F2. This is how we find the F1, F2 and F0. Okay, so if you just find the maximum value, that is going to be the F1. Okay, so below that you can find F0 and here you can just find the F2. Okay, so up you will find F0 and down you will find F2. Okay, that is how we find. It is an order race, right? So 0, 1, 2. Okay, so now finally we got the F0, that is 21, and F0 is 23 and F2 is 14. Okay, so now after later on we can just focus on H. Now let us find L. So here do you guys see this is the maximum value in this frequency, isn't it? So when you just come straight, we have 35 to 45. We have value like this. So in this, which one is upper limit? So this is upper limit and this is lower limit, isn't it? So L means they are talking about lower limit. So here the lower limit, it is going to be 35, isn't it? But we are supposed to check only to the maximum number. So here the maximum number is 23. Straight to that, whatever values we have, in that we are supposed to take the lower limit. So here it is 35. Now how to find the H value? H value, it is pretty easy. Upper limit minus lower limit is equal to, we'll get the H value. So here the upper limit is 45 and the lower limit is 35. So 45 minus 35, it is 10. Okay, so the H value is going to be 10. So now since we got all the values, we are going to apply, we are going to substitute the values in this formula. Okay, alright, it is pretty easy to do, isn't it? So now let us substitute it. Okay, so here is equal to L value is 35 plus bracket F1 value is 23 and then minus F0 or F0, you can call F0, that is 21 divided by, so 2 into means like here bracket, okay, into F1 is 23 and then close the bracket minus F0 is 21
and then minus f2 is 14, and then close the bracket, into h value is 10. Okay, all right. So now what we can do is we can actually write is equal to 35 as it is, and then plus bracket. So when we just subtract them, we'll get 2 divided by, so 23 into 2 is 46, and then here minus and, so let's write 46 first, 46, and minus is plus, so 21 plus 14 is 35. So since minus, right, so it is minus 35, and bracket into 10. Okay, so now what we can do is, now we can write once again. So now we can write is equal to 35, and then plus, okay, so now I wrote plus and then bracket 2 divided by, so when we just subtract them, no, we'll get 11, and then bracket into 10. Okay, so now 1 second, I don't have space. So guys, now no, I'll solve it here. Okay, we have 35 plus bracket 2 by 11 into 10, isn't it? So here let's write 35. Okay guys, so now we can write plus. So here it is in numerator, right? So 2 into 10 is 20. So 20 divided by 11. So now what we can do is we can write is equal to 35 plus 20 divided by 11. It is 1.81. So what is going to be our mode? So the mode is going to be 35 plus 1.81 is 36.81. Okay, so this is going to be your answer for mode. Okay, all right. So since we are supposed to find the mean as well, so now let's find the mean. Okay guys, so again I drew the table. Why? Because I didn't have space to do in that table. Okay, the previous one. Okay, so now since we're supposed to find the mean, let us find the mean. So here I'm gonna use assumed mean method. Okay, so the formula is a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. So here di, how to find it? Xi minus a. Okay, all right. So now first of all, let's find the xi value. How to find? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So here upper limit is 15 plus L, that is lower limit. So 15 plus 5, it is 20. So now 20 divided by 2. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. So 10, and here we'll get 20, and here 30, and here 40, and here 50, and here 60. Okay, and then okay, so now we got the xi value, isn't it? So now let's find the di value. Di value. How to find the di value? Xi minus a. We know the xi, but a, how to find it? Middle value of xi. So here when you just check it out, so here what is going to be the middle value? So the middle value, it's going to be 40. Okay, all right. So you guys might be wondering 30, right? But you can just take 30 as 40. I'm going to take 40. Okay, all right. So now the a is 40. Okay, so xi, so here it is 10. So 10 minus 40. So 10 minus 40 is minus 30. And then 20 minus 40 is minus 20. And 30 minus 40 is minus 10. And here 40 minus 40 is 0. And 10, sorry. So here 50 minus 40 is 50 minus 40, that is 10. And here 60 minus 40 is 20. Okay, so likewise we'll get the di value. Okay, so now we can find the fi di value. Okay, so how to find it? Fi a di value, that means fi into di, isn't it? So fi into di. So 6 into minus 30 is minus 180, and 11 into minus 20 is minus 220, and 21 into minus 10 is minus 210, and 23 into 0 is 0, 14 into 10 is 140, and then 5 into 20 is 100. Okay, so now we are going to do total. Okay, so when we just do total here, we'll get 80, and here when you just do total, so here we have some subtraction symbols as well, so be careful while doing these stuffs. Okay, so we'll get minus 370. Okay, all right, so we got the total once again. So we got the total, isn't it? So now what we're going to do is we're going to substitute these values to the mean formula. Okay, so here the A is 40, isn't it? So is equal to 40 plus sigma Fi di. So sigma Fi di value is minus 370 divided by Fi value is 80. Okay, so I'll just solve it here. Okay, so is equal to 40. So plus into minus is minus, so minus 370 divided by 80. Okay, so now what we can do is we can cancel the zeros. Okay, so after cancelling the zeros, we can write is equal to 40 minus 37 divided by 8, it is 4.62. Okay, so now we are supposed to subtract them. So when we'll subtract them, no, we'll get 35.38. Okay, so this is gonna be your mean. Okay, I'm sorry, this is n. Okay, so this is gonna be your mean. So according to the question, we are supposed to find the mean, right? So this is gonna be your answer. Okay, so finally we got the. Okay, guys, so we just found the mean, isn't it? So 1 second. So we got the mode answer is 36.81, isn't it? So this is gonna be your age. I mean maximum patient's age was 36.81. 1 second, I'll just show that. Okay, so you're supposed to find the mode and mean of the data given below. Compare and interpret. Okay, no, so yeah, maximum ages of the patient, it is 36.81. Okay, so this is the answer. So we also found the mode. So we got the mode as well as the mean. Okay, so read the question properly. Why? Because here they mentioned, right, we should find the mode as well as mean. So likewise we just found it.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.